Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD installation error 195 on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser and go to the official website to download the software for Adrenalin Edition. Okay. Click on download software and click on download Windows drivers, or you can also do it manually if you prefer that way. Okay. So click on it, and I already have mine in here downloaded and installed. Go ahead, click on the installer or the exe file, let it run. Let me just show you. Now just be patient. It will actually check for any updates available. Now on the additional options, I want you to try first full installation. All right. Now if that still doesn't work, you can do is drive only. All right, as your second option. So go ahead, proceed with the installation, confirm everything, and once done, the next step would be to go to your Windows security, right? Windows security, click on it. Here, go to virus and threat protection. Go to virus and threat protection settings. Make sure to turn everything off. Okay, you can turn your real protection off, every single thing in here. You can also check your firewall and network protection, right? Don't forget this. Turn everything off. This, the domain, private, and public network. So once you've successfully turned those off, go ahead, try to run the AMD Adrenalin, and definitely it should work. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.